Flying in the MakerBox by drone.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, it's on.
Fly. Duck.
It hasn't moved. Oh god. Wait, it's working.
Whoa, it's working. It's working. Left it up. Left it up.
That's all she's got, Captain. She ain't got no more. Ugh. All right, so as you guys know, we strive very hard every month to deliver the MakerBox into the video in some fancy form or fashion. And this morning's delivery attempt did not go so well. Somebody almost lost an eye. But the drone is fine. It didn't hurt the drone. And yes, that MakerBox was empty. I was not trying to fly in a full MakerBox because that wouldn't happen. But yeah, we need a bigger drone. So anyway, here it is. This is the actual MakerBox, and it is time to cut it open and see what's inside. Would you like the honors?
I guess.
I know how you like to snatch it open and get the candy out of it. Always gets the candy, always gets the candy. So you didn't even show it. You didn't even show what it was. Got some Haribo gummy bears.
It's my gummy bears.
It's Xander gummy bears.
It's Xander gummy bears.
All right, so we got our discount coupon sheet, and again, if you'd like a discount coupon sheet, all you gotta do is order a MakerBox. We got something here from Ultimaker. It's the top 10 reasons to use Cura to optimize your print using Ultimaker materials on an Ultimaker 3 or S5, which we don't have either one of those two. And 10 reasons to try Ultimaker Cura. We actually use Cura for the AM8 because it works well with the AM8. So, oh, that's cool. What does that say?
Nerd life is like regular life, but with 3D printers.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. And that is a sticker. We also have a printedsolid.com sticker. And an Ultimaker sticker. Gonna have to arrange to get the Fun King stickers in here. I gotta order them and get them sent over. You want to try that one?
No.
No, you don't want to go for that one. This one is PLA PHA blue gray, and I'm gonna tell you right now that this camera is not gonna do this color justice. It is like a slate blue. It's very nice. That is a hot end temperature of 195 to 220. Bed temperature of room to 60, a speed of 40 to 100 millimeters per second. The original PLA PHA blend by Color Fab. This filament prints like a nice creamy PLA, but has the added benefit of improved impact resistance, longer shelf life, reduced moisture uptake, and more vibrant colors along with a slightly matte finish. So yeah, this isn't a vibrant color, but it's a nice color. I like it.
Now I'll do this one.
You'll do that one?
This is daily PLA. Oh, I can tell it's.
Oh, let me show real quick.
Definitely the extra.
Show the logo on that one.
This is like the extra.
Oh, that's the bonus.
Yeah.
Excellent. A little heavier.
Mhm. The hot end temperature. This is daily PLA. The hot end temperature is 190 to 230. The bed temperature is room to 60. The speed is 30 to 90 millimeters per second. A standard quality PLA, great for everyday printing, made in the USA.
Nice. Yeah, this is Printed Solid's in-house brand, and I was lucky enough to be gifted a roll of this from an individual at ERF, and it prints beautifully. And I mean, they call it their daily PLA, and it is. I mean, it's not that it's not special, but it's a good general use PLA. So you want to do that one? All right, this is PMMA with a hot end temperature of 245 to 255, a print temperature of 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, speed of 30 to 40 millimeters per second, and no or low fan. This is a filament that is ideal for more experienced users of 3D printers. A tough and scratch-resistant material, more commonly known as acrylic. Acrylic, that's like plexiglass, acrylic. It's sheets, but in a filament. This is similar to PC, polycarbonate, although not as strong. PMMA is made using the purest raw materials, and all of the filament, including pigment, is produced using premium grade polymers without fillers. And this is, I believe that's Dr. 3D filament, or it's DR 3D filament, and that's made in the UK. And this one is a natural. It is actually a clear, so it'll be kind of cool to see how that prints out.
Oh, it says. Oh, I didn't realize it said where it was made on the top. Interesting. Oh, not for that one. Oh, this one. No, but it says.
Oh, I thought
it says on
it did.
That one, it does.
Oh yeah, made in the USA.
But
I can't remember where Color Fab is made.
but it says like.
All right, so you want to read that one? Or you want
Not
me to do
really.
that one? Ever since they added the longer stickers, you don't like doing them anymore. All right, so this is carbon fiber PETG, which is really exciting. We were actually just talking about carbon fiber PETG on the Twitters, and I was thinking to myself, oh, I should really get some of that and try it. And now I have some of it, and I can try it. And I get to try it without buying a whole spool of it, which is the awesome part about MakerBox. So this is carbon fiber PETG with a hot end temperature of 245 to 250, so right around the normal PETG. Bed temperature of 90 degrees, which I've learned is very important on the textured Prusa bed, because I turned it down to 70 and my stuff was popping off there before it was done. Speed is not listed. PETG typically prints around 40 millimeters per second or less. Fan off to low. It is an abrasive filament, so if you don't have a hardened nozzle, you're definitely going to tear your nozzle up. So consider a hardened nozzle for anything that's abrasive. And this is US-made PETG filament blended with chopped carbon fiber, stronger than ABS and PLA, and more heat-resistant than PLA. Manufactured in the USA from 100% virgin resin and then spooled onto 750-gram reels. Then the filament is vacuum sealed with desiccant. The addition of carbon fiber makes it stiffer and more heat and UV resistant. And that is made by Push Plastics. And we've tried some other Push Plastics in the MakerBox, and it's good stuff. And I'm really excited to try this stuff with carbon fiber. Now the problem with filaments like this is I never want to just print something stupid with it. I always want to try to like find that perfect print. So we got to find something that requires a little bit of durability, a little bit of strength.
Rocket.
Rocket that you're not going to fly. That's the thing. You got to find it's more of a practical print type filament. So, you know, maybe a hook for the drone to fly in the next MakerBox. Maybe parts to build a bigger drone. Oh yeah, ooh, big drone.
Yeah, that's your job.
Big drone. Fly Zach in here. So, all right, the next filament is, oh, it's sad time. There's no more filament. That's a nice hat.
No.
That's the end of this month's MakerBox. We're sad. We're always sad when it's at the end of the MakerBox. If you don't yet get yourself a MakerBox, you should. I highly recommend it. I really do. It is a fun way to be able to sample different filaments without having to put out the expense of buying a whole entire reel of filament. And of course, if you decide, I love this filament, there's almost always a discount code to go and get that filament cheaper. Plus, if you actually take advantage of those discount codes, you will save more money than you pay for the box. So if you'd like to get one of these boxes, there is a link down in the description that you can sign up to get the box. That is a non-affiliate link. It is tracked just so that they know where the link came from. But there's also a coupon code there so that you can get a discount on your first box if you're a new subscriber. I think you have to take those out of the bag before you eat them.
Mm.
If you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. As Zach likes to tell you, a thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Ding! Please tune in every month for our MakerBox videos and somewhere in between for our other videos. And until next time, as always, print on.